What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. I hope everybody had a great Monday evening. This is going to be my watch list for October 24, 2017. Before I get into my watch list, I do want to let you know I'm not a financial planner or a financial advisor, so please do your own research. And TD Ameritrade or Use Stock Trade are not sponsoring me to do any of these videos or to push their product. Before I get into my personal watch list, if you've been following my videos, you know that I just changed a little bit on the intro, and I added some new things that I'm doing. So the first thing that I put on there is an Instagram, which I just created it, Bulls to the Wall Trading, and I also created, oh, it's not letting me do it. I can't go over. I also created, let me see if I can go on it here, a Twitter account, but it won't let me see, there it is. So I created a Twitter account, which is at Bulls to the Wall, and a Instagram, which is at Bulls to the Wall Trading. So Twitter at Bulls to the Wall, Instagram at Bulls to the Wall Trading. I wanted to create that because I figured that before the market opened, I could put my top 4 stocks, my top 6 stocks, just give a little shout out of the stocks that I'm looking at, what you should be paying attention to, put some pictures of maybe the trades that I got into, and I just realized that it could be a better way for me to connect with my subscribers. Also a way that I can let you guys know when I'm getting ready to upload a video, or if I just uploaded a video, I can send a message and say, hey, the video's uploaded, check it out. So I just figured it'd be a cool way to kind of reach out to you guys and just keep a better line of communication. So please go check those out, and I don't even know what the right term would be. Add me on those, or it's not like or subscribe. I don't even know what you do, but check those out. Alright, so my watch list is going to start with BBG. Let's take a look here. Alright, so this is a previous line, so I am going to get rid of this. And before I start drawing any lines, just keep in mind that I am a momentum trader. So I trade previous day high, pre-market day high, or intraday high. So I locate the, oh man, I have the wrong drawing tool. Give me 1 second. Alright. So I locate the high, 463, draw my line, and what we are looking for is for momentum to bring the price action up, and hopefully for it to break above the line that we draw. And that's going to be the same thing for every stock. Next one is CASI. This one, the high is at $2.70, and you guys know the rest. ADHD, this one is at 175, and it hasn't changed. Next one, OHGI. This is a previous line, so I'll delete that. And it looks like I have a line at 139. Let me see if I can pinpoint when I drew that. Let's see. Oh man, this one goes way back. Let's see. Wow. When did I draw this? Wow, this goes way back. Alright, this is pretty gnarly. I think that might have just frozen my computer. Alright, so it looks like I drew that in what is that, August. So that's a long time. Wow. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to put my line at 134. Next one, JMEI. This one's at $3.25. And the next one is LBIX. This is a previous line. Not interested in that anymore, so we're going to put it at the new high, which is $2.65. As you can tell, all of these have at least 1 million in volume, which is one of my criteria when I'm looking at stocks. And just because I have these stocks and you don't, or if you're doing if you're searching for stocks on your own and I don't have what you have, that's fine. This is just the stocks that got my attention. So if you find potential in a stock that I'm not talking about, that's fine. Keep it on your watch list and see what it does the following day. But I usually like to put on my watch list stocks that have at least moved 1 million shares in the day. Alright, so that's one of my watch lists. Let's go to the other one, ATHX. This one, the high is at 212. Wow, my computer is running really slow. Sorry about that. My God. This is pretty bad. Well, anyways, while this is going on, I guess this is a great time to say, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Leave me any questions that you may have. What just happened? I don't know what's going on. But there's our line right there at 212. Next one is CLD. This one is at 464. I'm not too sure why I have this one. The chart doesn't look all that great, but I'm still gonna leave it on there. I guess it's trying to pick back up, but you know, we'll leave it on there, see what happens. DEST, I think this is a good one. Yeah, this is a good one. As you can tell, it started moving up as the market was closing, and then it reached highs of $3.09 when the market closed. Don't know why it keeps doing that. I'm not trying to draw anything. There we go. At $3.09. What is going on? $3.09, and I'm gonna get rid of this old line. Next one on the list, FCEL, $2.25. It hasn't gone above that, so I'm keeping my line right there. TNDM, this is a previous line that I had, and as you can tell, it broke that in the post market. So I'm going to remove this line and move it up to $3. And again, what we're looking for is for the price action to come above the line that we're drawing with good volume. That's the key to momentum trading, is high volume. FSM, next one up. This one is a really good one. Look at all these sharp movements that it's made today. Just a big gainer from 426 to 466, so that's about 40 cents on the dot. So big gainer here. I am going to keep this one because I want to see if it can keep this momentum. It had a huge gain today, and I'm pretty sure people are going to keep looking at this one tomorrow morning. Let me zoom in a little bit. Chart doesn't look all that great to me, but still it's in an uptrend, and I like that. HTGM, next one up. This is an old line. Again, I'm going to delete that. So for this one, you could either draw your line at 294, or if you've been watching my videos, you know that I stress that whole dollar amounts are a big mental resistance point. So you could either draw it at 294 or $3. I'm just gonna draw both on here, right there, and keep an eye on it. Most likely, if I was to invest in this one, I would I would invest closer to $3 and not $2.94, but I'm just keeping the two lines on there for reference. GLUU 455. It looks like it had a little spike at the market close, so maybe it's just a fake little spike, or it's going to keep going. We don't know. That's why we have it on our watch list. We're identifying potential and just seeing what happens with that potential tomorrow. Again, old line, we identify our new high, which is at 230, and we draw our line right there. ATOS is the next one. This one is probably a little bit tricky because it is under $1, so these tend to move a little bit slower. Regardless, I do like the movement in the post market, and it is trending up in the post market, so I will draw my line right here at 67 cents. Next one, SNES. We identify the high at $3.47. That's where we draw the line. If I can get to it, I'll just not again. I'll just draw it right there. So yeah, that's where our high is, and again, we're just going to keep track of it tomorrow, and hopefully it can move up and cross that line that we just drew. And the last one is JCP. I think this is JCPenney. I was a little bit hesitant to put this one on the list because I don't like this chart. I don't like the movements. It looks like a Tetris board, but it did have 16 million in volume, and it moved up 14 cents. So I'm going to draw my line at $3.78 and just keep track of it. Why did it do that again? Although it did take a dip right here, but whatever. I'm just still going to keep it on watch. So that is my watch list for tomorrow, October 24, 2017. You might be asking yourself, well, how do I keep an eye on all these stocks, on these right here and these right here? What I do is in the morning I come in, and the first thing that I do is sort them by volume like I have them right now, and I just analyze the one that have the biggest volume. And if the chart looks good, I start to focus on those. If the volume is low, I don't even bother looking at the chart. I also run a morning scanner that lets me know which stocks are moving up. So within my two watch lists and my morning scanner, right before the market opens, I usually have about 4 to 6 stocks that I'm going to be focusing on. And that's one of the reasons why I opened the Twitter and the Instagram, because I figured I can put on there the stocks that I'm going to be focusing on, so you guys can get a look at as to what I'm focusing on and what I'm not looking at, or what I am looking at. So again, please check those out. The Twitter is at Bulls to the Wall, and Instagram is at Bulls to the Wall Trading. So check those out. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find these videos helpful and educational. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll make a video answering any questions, or just reply back in the comment if it's easier for you. I hope these videos are helping you guys out. I'm picking up a little bit of steam. I'm getting some new subscribers just about every day, so thank you so much for that. And I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night.